Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today I've got this 1999 Toyota Camry with a 2.2 liter in it, and I'm going to be going over the cylinder identification and the wire routing. The cylinder identification is as follows: cylinder number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the wire routing is as follows. We're back here just over the transmission here. Those are your coil packs there that you see with the wires coming out of it with the numbers on the wires. This coil tower right here, that's your number 1 coil tower, and that's your number 1 spark plug wire. It connects to the coil tower right there and travels up to the number 1 cylinder. Then you have number 4. The wire plugs in right there and the wire travels up to the number 4 cylinder. Then you've got 2, and it goes all the way up to cylinder number 2, and then you got 3, which goes all the way up to cylinder number 3. Guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. Please read the entire description of this video down below before you apply any of this knowledge. If you're watching this video on a platform other than youtube.com, you may need to go to youtube.com/barbersautohelp. Find this video there. The description will be underneath. Thanks again, guys.